Rock Computer College. Define quality training in information technology.
In this video, I'll show you how to crop and straighten an image in Photoshop. Now first, if you want to open an image, any image in Photoshop, you'll come to File, then select Open. Then from your file, select the image that you want to open, click Open, and then you'll have your image in Photoshop. Now this is the image that I'm working with today, and I want to crop out some areas. So I'll come over here and select the crop tool, and as you can see, it will show the edges, the cropping edges around my image, the cropping handles around the edges, that is. Then you can click and drag to crop out the areas that you don't want in your image. You can add to that selection or delete to it. You can even move the image around. Now if you look over here, there are different modes that you can select to work with, but mine is set on original ratio. That means no matter how much I crop out the image, the relationship between the height and the width of the image will remain the same. Then let's say my image is a bit slanted. If I want to straighten it, I'll just come and select this command, straighten, then click and drag in a straight line. Make sure it's a straight line. And then release it, and then your image will be straight enough for you. Now once you're done cropping, you can have this command on or off. Now if you want to lose the cropped out areas, you can turn it on, but if you want to keep the cropped out pixels, you can turn that off. Now I'll turn that off because with it off, I can come back and make some changes to my image later on. Let's say I want to add to that crop to that image from the cropped areas, so I'll leave mine that way. Then once you're done, click on this icon and your image is cropped.